Now in this unit, we're going to quickly go over hazardous situations, and on site, there's going to be lots of different situations that could present hazards. Electrical supplies on site or temporary supplies could cause issues. Things like trailing leads and cables on site will also be an issue. We've got to be aware of the site that we're working on may have slippery or uneven surfaces, and most sites are going to present us with lots of dust and maybe fumes coming from different areas. There's a lot of materials on site that will be transported around. We've got to be aware of that. And there's going to be contaminants and irritants that we're going to be using, such as the cutting compound for our conduit. Working at height and hazardous malfunction of equipment, improper use and storage of tools and equipment, and things like fires that could start on our site, as well as things like bacteria that we could be exposed to, like Wells disease. Now, it's important that you download your handout on this section and have a read on some of the more information that is presented on hazardous situations. And don't forget, you can always email in if you have any queries.